Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel where we prove that beautiful, productive gardens don't need acres of space. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of fresh, organic produce right outside your door, but think your tiny backyard just won't cut it? Think again. In today's video, we're diving into the wonderful world of edible gardens for small backyards. Get ready to transform that little patch of grass, balcony, or patio into your very own food haven. An edible garden for a small backyard is much more than just sticking a tomato plant in a pot. It's an intentional, space-saving, and often vertically focused design strategy dedicated to growing fruits, vegetables, and herbs in a confined area. This style of gardening emphasizes maximization of yield per square foot, often using clever containers, raised beds, or wall-mounted systems instead of traditional in-ground rows. The goal is to create a functional food source that integrates seamlessly with the home's aesthetics, proving that small spaces can be incredibly productive. It's about leveraging every inch, from the sunniest corner to the shadiest wall, to grow food that is both delicious and beautiful. The benefits of creating a compact edible garden are numerous, extending far beyond the dinner plate. Firstly, you gain access to ultra-fresh, hyper-local produce, reducing your grocery bill and environmental footprint. The flavor difference between store-bought and homegrown is truly incomparable. Secondly, it's a powerful stress reliever and a source of gentle exercise, connecting you with nature and providing a rewarding sense of accomplishment. Furthermore, these gardens are a fantastic way to control exactly what goes into your food, ensuring it's free from unwanted pesticides and chemicals. Finally, a well-designed edible garden significantly enhances the beauty and functionality of a small outdoor space, turning a forgotten area into a vibrant, living extension of your home. Decorating a small edible garden is all about blending utility with aesthetics. Forget messy rows and focus on structured beauty. Utilize uniform raised beds or matching containers to create clean lines and a sense of order. Incorporate vertical elements like decorative trellises, arbors, or wall planters. These not only save space but add height and visual interest. Introduce decorative hardscaping such as gravel paths, stepping stones, or a small water feature to define the space and provide contrast to the greenery. Choose plants with beautiful colors, like the deep purple of basil, the bright orange of marigolds, which also deter pests, or the cascading leaves of strawberries, treating them as ornamental features. Adding a stylish wheelbarrow, a cute birdhouse, or some subtle garden lighting can complete the look, making your garden a true retreat. Choosing the right plants is crucial for maximizing yield in a small space. The best candidates are compact, high-yield, and/or vertical growing varieties. Herbs are a must-have. Basil, chives, mint, and rosemary thrive in small pots. For vegetables, look for bush varieties of beans and cucumbers instead of vining types, or grow them vertically up a trellis. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard are perfect for cut and come-again harvesting, allowing for continuous supply. Dwarf fruit trees, patio tomatoes, and strawberries are excellent choices for containers. Finally, don't overlook root vegetables like carrots and radishes, which grow downwards and are ideal for deep, compact planters. Always choose varieties specifically labeled for container or small space gardening. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best edible garden for small backyard ideas to spark your creativity. One, hedged edible flower and herb garden with scarecrow. A delightful cottage-style garden that is highly decorative. It uses low, neatly manicured boxwood hedges to edge the beds, providing a formal structural element. The garden is a riot of color, mixing herbs, tomatoes, and vibrant flowering plants, highlighting the beauty of companion planting. The charming scarecrow and rustic wooden arbor give the space a playful, welcoming, and fully integrated decorative look. 2 classic in-ground garden beds with dark mulch. This more traditional, yet still compact, design uses wooden frames to define classic rectangular beds. The dark, rich wood mulch or bark between the beds creates a clean, professional look that suppresses weeds and retains moisture. The presence of a small greenhouse in the background and bamboo teepees for climbing plants highlights the functionality and productivity of this well-tended space. 3 whimsical container garden with sculptural decor. Set against a lush backdrop, this garden is a beautiful fusion of edibles and art. It features dark rustic wood container boxes filled with squash and flowers. The distinctive weathered metal arch and abstract sculpture act as statement pieces, turning the garden into a decorative outdoor room. The gravel floor and use of climbing arches show commitment to both aesthetics and vertical growth. 4 urban-style terrace wood garden boxes. This structured design features several long, simple wooden raised boxes aligned along a fence line, offering a fantastic solution for narrow side yards or perimeter gardening. The repetition of the box size creates an organized, clean line that separates the food production area from the lawn. The metal sun decorations on the fence add a personalized, rustic touch, proving that functional structures can also incorporate delightful decor. 5. The charming picket fence kitchen garden. A quintessential cottage-style edible garden. This design utilizes traditional white picket fencing to clearly define the growing space, instantly creating a magical and organized look. The interior is structured with neat gravel paths between raised beds, showcasing a bounty of diverse vegetables, from tall sunflowers to low-growing herbs. The addition of a quaint garden shed and a central white arbor adds height and a focal point, demonstrating how a classic, beautiful aesthetic can perfectly house a highly productive food garden. 6. Rustic tiered planters and gravel pathway. A perfect example of maximizing space with texture. This garden features wooden raised beds of varying heights, creating a dynamic, layered look. The choice of a light-colored pea gravel pathway brightens the space and provides excellent drainage. The beds are packed with different varieties of lettuce and herbs, showing how high-density planting can be both productive and visually appealing in a narrow setting. 7. Fenced-in security garden with cold frame. This highly functional design features a secure, gated wooden fence enclosing a square arrangement of raised beds, which is excellent for protecting crops from pests. A notable element is the inclusion of a cold frame/skylight structure embedded in the ground, allowing for season extension or the cultivation of more sensitive plants. The design is neat, practical, and highly focused on maximizing security and yield in a defined space. 8. Creative vertical container pillars and curved beds. This unique and artistic garden utilizes gently curving, rustic metal edging for the main garden beds, providing a softer look than sharp rectangles. The standout feature is the pair of towering vertical planters, covered in lush, climbing greenery, which brilliantly maximizes airspace for planting. The light-colored path contrasts beautifully with the dark metal and rich green foliage, offering a stunningly decorative and high-yield solution. 9. Deep-toned multi-level edible garden borders. This beautiful design uses multi-tiered, deep brown wooden raised planters to create a terraced effect, providing a rich, custom look that doubles as seating or a workbench. The beds are filled with colorful Swiss chard, bell peppers, and flowering herbs, showcasing how edibles can provide incredible color and texture. The backdrop of a tall wooden privacy fence provides excellent vertical support for climbing plants and a sense of enclosure. 10. Modern raised bed vegetable patch with trellis. This sleek, contemporary garden design features robust, natural wood raised beds set against a modern architectural background. The use of clean, rectangular forms and a simple gravel pathway creates a neat, minimalist appearance. Taller plants like corn provide vertical interest, while vibrant cabbage and squash anchor the lower beds. The design beautifully illustrates how an edible garden can be a harmonious, integrated element of modern home landscaping. So there you have it. Your small backyard is not a limitation, it's an opportunity. By embracing vertical gardening, using smart containers, and choosing the right decorative elements, you can create a highly productive and absolutely stunning edible garden. It's a space that feeds your body, calms your mind, and elevates the decor of your entire property. Start small, be intentional, and most importantly, enjoy the process of growing your own food. We want to know what you're growing. Drop a comment below and tell us which of these top 10 ideas you loved the most, or what plants thrive in your own small space. If this video gave you the inspiration you needed, please hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more small space gardening tips, tricks, and beautiful decor ideas. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our next transformation video. Happy gardening!